welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. For today, we're gonna be doing thrift store hunt. Ano daw? Thrifting. So, ang first stop natin dito sa Goodwill, and then we might stop by to other local thrift stores. Meron din kaming Salvation Army in our area. May hinahanap kasi ako, guys. Nung isang araw, nasa TJ Maxx kami. And I'm surprised that they're selling this, parang yung mga cottagecore frames. And I'm into that. I don't know, alam niyo naman ng tita nyo, hindi talaga ako satisfied ng like, if I have to pay like full price. I know it's cheaper kasi yung nakita ko actually sa TJ Maxx, para siyang 4 or 5 frames. Tapos may mga kasama na siyang mga old paintings. We know for sure it's not an old painting. Pero they make it old. Gusto ko talagang humanap ng mga frames na iba-iba. Iba-iba yung style. Yung talagang ako yung nakahanap sa mga thrift stores. So that's gonna be our agenda for today. Hahanap tayo ng mga any cottagecore, old, vintage frame. I'm looking for a big mirror. Yung talagang kita yung, hindi naman buong katawan, at least kalahati ng katawan, na gusto ko siyang ilagay dun sa may entryway. Para, when people go in and out, hindi na nila kailangan pumunta sa banyo or sa mga kwarto just to check their outfit. Like, makikita mo na agad yung sarili mo dun sa by the exit and entrance door, sa main door. I mean, we only have one door. Pag umalis ng bahay. So, parang yung navivision ko talaga, guys, it's like a big ass mirror, tapos with like different styles and different shapes of frames on the side. Yun yung navivision ko right now. Kung hindi naman, I'm just gonna put the mirror on that wall, tapos yung mga frames sa may bandang kitchen. Diba? Yun talaga yun yung goal ko. I want to look, I want our home to look like yung parang cottagecore, parang grandma house, pero with a touch of parang modernized na siya. Hindi yung talagang super parang amoy lola. Yung pagpasok mo parang yung vibe niya parang amoy lola. I mean, I don't have anything against with the amoy lola. I love my amoy lola like memories. Kasi diba parang iba yung pakiramdam kapag pupunta tayo sa mga lola houses natin. Parang it's a different smell, which is, it just gives me comfort. Pero alam niyo yung sinasabi ko, hirap na ako mag-explain. Basta ganun yung agenda natin. It's like modernized, but at merong hint ng cottagecore grandma house, parang ganun. So ayun, excited lang ako. So we're gonna go thrifting for today. Hopefully only a few hours. And samahan niyo ako. Okay? Let's go. Bye! So this is our first stop. Goodwill. Hopefully may mahanap tayong good buys. Ooh, look at that lampshade. I for sure papalitan yan. Pero ito, yung stand niya, napakaganda. Ang ganda niya. Pero hindi ko na kailangan ng isa pang lampshade sa bahay, guys. Pero kung naghahanap kayo ng mga vintage lampshade, ayan o. Napakaganda. Ito pa, oh, napakaganda. Konting linis lang yan, guys, oh. Imagine, for $12.99. Napakaganda na niya. Ito, kailangan palitan talaga yan. Dalawa pa siya. Partner siya. Ganda. Ang ganda ng color ng frame. Hindi ko lang bet yung ano niya, pero ganda ng color. How much is this? Ayun. $4.99. Not bad. Ganda siya. Ooh, this one's cute. $3.99. country inspirational. Ang cute. I like that. Look at this, guys. It's so cute. Parang imagine ko I can put plant in there. Ang cute niya, diba? $2.99. Okay, I'm back. So, katatapos ko lang sa Goodwill, I found one frame. Ang cute. It says, friendships is reaching for someone's hand and touching their heart. True. Tapos, ang cute ng basket na to. Pinakita ko na sa inyo kanina to. And then I googled it. It was made from the 80s, early 90s. Ang ganda pa ng quality niya, oh. And it's only $2.99. And yeah, I will be keeping this. Wala pa ako naiisip na mapaglalagyan, but I'll for sure find a spot. And then, this is my most favorite. Ang goal ko talaga is maghanap ng mga anything that I can put on the wall. This is not gonna go to the wall. Pero napaka-cute. Look at this, guys. Look at that. It's so pretty. And it's only $5.99. Wala na ako mapaglalagyan, pero I'm pretty sure mapaghahanapan natin ng paraan yan. I might sell some stuff that I have at home na feeling ko hindi ko naman masyadong bet. Like, bet ko, pero hindi ko masyadong bet. Kasi, grabe. Ito ang deserving ng bagong pwesto ng kung nasan man siya. Diba? It's so pretty. Look at that, guys. Alam mo, hindi ko pa nag-google kung anong year to. From Italy. Grabe. The vibe. Imagine if I host like let's say a get together with the girls. I can put our drinks in here. Oh, ang ganda. Grabe. Kaya ay nako, nung nakita ko to, ay sabi ko, I need to grab that. Kasi actually, guys, nasa ano pa siya. Nasa cart pa yung alam mo yung mga workers, they just putting stuff away dun sa mga like the hallway. Eh, dahil nga maaga akong dumating, it was only like 10:30 in the morning, so they're just beginning their shift. So, nung nakita ko yan dun sa cart, ay kinuha ko na, girl. Wala talaga pagdadalawang isip. Alam mo yung may mga bagay na nagdadalawang isip ka pa. Yan, I need to snatch it or else baka may iba pang makakuha. Anyway, so our next store is Laura's House. Ito talaga, sobrang advocate ako ng Laura's House. So if you guys are in the area, please stop by at Laura's House. It's another thrift store. And ang pinaka gusto ko sa store na to is because all the money that they get or from selling their stuff, napupunta to sa mga domestic violence victims and their families. So I need to take you guys there and show you what they have. Okay. Okay, guys, I made it to Laura's house. And may mga frames sa labas. Tingnan natin baka meron tayong mabitan dito. Okay, negative. Pasok tayo. That's a good one. I like the color. Okay, they have options of books. Hi. May mga books din sila, guys. Hi guys, so I am done sa Laura's house and I got few items. Let me show you. Ang init. Okay, first one, it's for $9. Look at that. Napakaganda. And I like the color kasi tingnan nyo, it's green and gold and that's like my type of jewelry. don't really need a jewelry at the moment. So I might keep it or I might sell it sa marketplace. We'll see. But I find it very unique. And I googled it and it's worth $108. So we'll see. Tingnan natin. This one, I'm for sure gonna be keeping this. O, diba nag-unboxing sa kotse? Hala, ganda pa naman ng pagkakaano, balot. It's so cute. Matchy siya sa theme ng bahay. And I will be putting this at the coffee table. Look at that! Napaka-cute! Diba? Kung maaalala nyo guys, yung nabili ko sa marketplace na tray at saka coaster, matching siya dyan. And this one, it's only $7.99. Diba? Apaka-cute niya. So, pwedeng lagyan ng mga like candies or cough drop. Kasi mahilig ako maglagay ng mga cough drops sa coffee table. Alam nyo na, laging inuubo. And this one. Okay. May nakita tayo sa Laura's house, guys. And I feel like I have to get it. It's not for me. I'm not gonna keep it for sure. Kasi, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of the color. It's pretty though. Pero it's only $80. And it's brand new. Ta-da! Look at that. Kate Spade. It has the tag. Sobrang ganda ng ilalim. Like, perfect talaga. Ang perfect niya. And it's $80. And I googled it and people are reselling it for $165. So, I will for sure be putting this in marketplace. So, hindi ko naman siya ibibenta ng like super OA. Hindi naman tayo ganon, no? Like, ibibenta lang natin siya for reasonable price. At least nakatulong pa tayo sa Laura's house. And at the same time, parang ako naging personal shopper ng ibang tao na maybe they've been looking for that specific bag and they can't find it. To be honest, I haven't seen this bag. Like, this is my first time seeing it. Yung design niya mismo. I like it. It's just not my color. Maybe someone else will love this type of bag. This is perfect for school, office, even travel. Kasi ang laki ng space niya. Yeah, so, at least nakatulong pa ako sa Laura's house. Ay, nagutom ang tita nyo. So, dumaan ako sa Pinoy Pam's Best. And I got me a chicken ensaymada. Ay, empanada. Pinagpipilian ko kasi between ensaymada or empanada. Eh, dahil lunchtime na guys, 12:45, hindi pa ako kumakain. So, kumuha ako ng chicken empanada. And of course, ang aking favorite drink, C2. Magmimerienda muna tayo. Baka mamaya, Diyos me, baka naman sumakit ang ulo natin pag nagpalipas tayo ng gutom. Kain muna tayo guys. Ay, teka, sanitizer muna tayo. Magmerienda muna tayo. And then, punta na tayo sa Salvation Army. Actually, meron pang isang Goodwill on my area. As in, super lapit sa bahay. We'll see if we stop by. For sure, I'll let you know. Pero last stop na natin to. And then we go home. So we can relax. Sarap sa ito kung mainit, pero it's okay. Pampaano lang, pampalipas gutom. Ang saya-saya, parang feeling ko napaka-productive ko today. As always. Hindi mapakali sa bahay. Kapag talaga nasa labas na ako, gusto ko, inaasikaso na lahat yung mga gusto ko asikasuhin. Ayaw ko yung uuwi pa ako tapos aalis na naman. So might as well just do it everything all at the same time. And then para pag uwi, palit na ng ano, pambahay. Tapos, relax-relax na lang. Linis ng bahay. At actually, kailangan ko mag-laundry today. I need to do my laundry later. Sarap. I wonder kung gawa nila to. Punong-puno naman siya, guys, oh. Punong-puno. I like it. O siya, kakain muna ako. Nakakaano naman panurin niyo ako kumakain. Balitaan ko kayo kung saan ako mapadpad. Okay? Later. Hi friends, I'm back. So I lied. Last conversation natin, which is just few seconds ago, minutes ago. Well, pagka-edit ng video. I said pupunta ako sa isa pang thrift store, Salvation Army, and then I might stop by to another Goodwill, but I ended up going to TJ Maxx. Nadaanan ko kasi, guys. Meron kasi ako nakita mga frame na it has that cottage core vibe na vintagey, na super cute. And I've been thinking about it for a few days kasi nakita ko siya the other day. And nagpakasakali ako na baka meron dito kasi this is a different store. And they did. Nag-iisa na lang. So naisip ko, you know what? I wanna go home. I'm tired. Like, parang nararamdaman ko na sumasakit na yung likod ko kakalakad kanina pa. Tapos galing pa ako ng meeting. So medyo hagardo. Tapos I woke up 5. Nag-explain. Pero sa totoo lang, guys, I woke up at 5:30 in the morning because my meeting is at 7. So I had a long day already. It's already 2 o'clock. So, binili ko na. Para hindi na ako mag-ikot-ikot sa iba pang mga thrift stores. It's only $30, but I'll show it to you, guys. I'll show it to you. There's a few that I got, and then a mirror. Matagal na ako naghahanap ng parang vintage look na mirror, and they have it. And it's only, kano nga ba yun? $20 or 25 or 35? I can't remember. Basta papakita ko sa inyo, guys, and I'll show you my vision kung ano ba yung goal ko. But anyway, we're going home. It's been a long day and I'm super excited mag-decorate. Hopefully magawa ko today. If not, tomorrow. We'll see. Stay tuned.
Never fret none about what my hands and my body done. If the Lord don't
So, we are back home. As I promised, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili ko sa TJ Maxx. Ayun yung mga nabili ko sa Goodwill. Ano ba? Yan. Tapos, Laura's House. Yan. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung sa Goodwill. First off, it's this right here. Napakaganda. Tingnan nyo naman ang greeneries. I wish it's a real paint though, but it's okay. This will do. Para picture lang ata siya eh. Pero mukha siyang oil paint. Napakaganda. This is the vibe that I'm looking for. Alam ko marami-raming mga Goodwill or mga thrift stores ang dapat kong puntahan para makakita ng mga ganitong klaseng art. But this will do for now. Para lang matahimik na ako kasi I've been thinking about it. And I got it for $14.99, which is not bad for this kind of art. Wow, art though. The next one, ito yung talagang, nakita ko to sa isang TJ Maxx the other day nung pumunta kami ni Dale to buy our Korean products. Diba? Magulat kayo, may mga Korean products sa TJ Maxx, guys. Highly recommended. Ay, hindi pala. Kasi magkakaubusan na. Sobrang mumura. Ito yung nakita ko sa isang TJ Maxx na I've been thinking about it. Sabi ko, nung nadaanan ko yung TJ Maxx kanina on my way dun sa iba pang thrift store, sabi ko, you know what, I'm gonna go check it out. Baka meron din silang mga frames. And kung meron, then it's meant to be. Kung wala, then, you know, the search continues. And nag-iisa na lang. So talagang I had to grab it. Tingnan niyo yung mga artwork niya, ang cute. Diba? Yan yung vibe na hinahanap ko. The butterflies, tapos yung plants, flowers. Ano tong isa? Ayan. Para siyang greenery lang. So, ang ganda ng color niya. This is the vibe that I've been looking for. And it's $34.99. It's pricey from what I think, but then again, it's 6 frames. So parang iniisip ko, I guess it's worth it kasi kung bibilin mo to sa mga thrift stores, for sure per frame it's like $5, $6. So pag inad mo yun, parang ganun din yung price. So might as well, at least ito, like they're all just parang matchy. They're not like really matchy pero parang they have all the same vibe. So might as well, diba? So I'm really happy that I got this and I found it at nag-iisa na lang at ako pa nakakuha. And the last one is the mirror. Tada! Ayun. Tingnan niyo yung details, guys. So this one is $29.99. Tingnan niyo yung details. Pasok na pasok talaga dun sa cottagecore vibe na hinahanap ko. And I don't know, I really like it. Kasi matagal ko nang gusto talagang magka-mirror sa may hallway. Kasi usually, kapag umaalis kami, di ba, pag gusto mo yung last look, tapos nakasuot ka na ng sapatos, minsan parang tipito talaga ako naglalakad, bumabalik pa ako sa kwarto or sa banyo. Ayoko na apakan yung mga rug at saka yung floor ng mga like outside shoes. So, matagal ko na talagang gusto magka-mirror sa hallway by the main door. So, I think perfect tong mirror na to para pang last look lang. Diba? Parang excited na talaga ako when I put them all together on just one spot. Feeling ko it's gonna be pretty. But don't worry, I'll show it to you guys yung finished product. Hindi ko lang malalagay pa ngayon kasi natutulog pa si Dale. May work siya kagabi at may work pa siya mamaya. Kawawa naman kung maririnig ka. Diba? So, ayun. Thank you for joining me, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa pagsama sa akin sa pagsha-shopping. Yung goal natin na dapat thrift stores lang, hindi natin natupad. But it's okay. I'm happy. Nahanap ko na yung mga kailangan ko. And I think I'm good so far. Yeah, wala muna tayong shopping for the next business hours. Business hours! O siya, thank you guys for joining me and you have a great day. Bye! Mwah! OMG. Wait lang, bago kayo umalis, may papakita ako. So, may in-order ako sa TikTok na and dumating na siya today. So, in-unbox ko siya. Tada! Oh, mayroon ng pa-mic. Malinaw na ba? Malinaw na ba yung mga chika ko? Oh my gosh! Hoy, may pa-mic. Hello, test mic. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Asawa ni Marie. Sino ka dyan? May pa-mic na. Legit na vlogger. Oh, pa. Teka, ilagay natin dito. Oh. Ay, ba't nakatabi niya? Malinaw na ba, guys? Malinaw na. Binili ko siya sa TikTok. Ayan, no. It comes with, 2 mic. Tapos may ano tawag dyan? Transmitter ba yan? Hindi nyo ba naririnig yung mga huni ng ibon? legit! Oh my gosh! Ayun lang, na-excite lang ako ipakita. O siya, sige. Sa susunod na natin galgalin to. Papa-excite. Okay, update guys! Nalagay na namin. Tinulungan ako. Ang ganda! I love it! Oh, pak! Diba? Nakita niyo na ba yung vision ko? Diba? Yung vision ko na yan. Yung ganyan lang. Bago ka umalis, pwede kang mag-OOTD. Tapos, yung mga ganyan. Diba? Ngayon, o tara, sama ko kayo. Punta muna tayo sa beach. Bigla ang yaya ng friend. Tara, samahan niyo ako. O diba, akala niyo tapos na yung video. Akala ko din talaga guys, tapos na yung araw ko. Ready na akong maligo, magpajama. Pero, I got a phone call like 6 o'clock. Sabi, Mare, nasan ka? Sabi ko, andito sa bahay, bakit? Andito kami sa beach. O, syempre, ang lola nyo, Gora naman. Kasi may pasok din naman si Dale. So, wala naman akong gagawin sa bahay, kundi magbasa lang ng libro, magmuni-muni, manood ng TV, mga halongkat ng kung ano-ano. So, sabi ko, okay, sige, sama ako. Sabi ko, ganyan, nahabol ako. Eh, buti na lang guys, I'm only 30 minutes away sa beach na pinag-hangoutan nila. So, I'll just hang out, watch the sunset, and then go home, take a shower, relax. Kawawa nga si Dale kanina, narinig niya yung phone call. Nalaki yung mata, na inggit. Kasi sa amin dalawa guys, siya talaga ang beach person. I'm more of a mountain person. I mean, I love going to the beach kasi it's relaxing. Tapos, I get to hang out with, you know, the people that I love. Pero yung tipong ako lang yung mag-isa and then random days, I'm just gonna go to the beach and hang out. Hindi mo siguro ako maririnig na sasabihin yun. But then again, I don't know, pasumpong-sumpong ang tita nyo, baka maybe that's something I can try and do by myself. Pero talaga, I love going to the beach kapag I'm hanging out with my friends, with family, with Dale, muni-muni, ganyan. I love camping by the beach though. Yan, gustong-gusto ko yan. So ayun, I'm heading to Doheny Beach. Isa to sa mga favorite na beach namin. I like it because you can park right next sa sand. Tapos siguro mga 10-15 steps water na. So sobrang lapit. I think makakakuha tayo ng magandang spot. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng beach na yon. Because it's a Thursday. Hopefully wala naman masyadong tao ngayon sa beach. Typically, around this time, pag weekend, oh gosh, impossible maghanap ng parking doon. So, I will take you guys and show you what Doheny Beach look like. That's one of, I think, from my own opinion lang naman, one of the best OC beach. Kasi kalmado lang yung tubig. Maalon, pero it's doable. Like, pwede pa rin mag-swimming yung mga bata, mga adults na hindi marunong lumangoy katulad ko. Yeah, it's a really nice spot for just to hang out. Ayun, sige. Isasama ko na lang kayo at papakita ko sa inyo itsura ng beach na yon. Okay, see you later! guys, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, sobrang lapit. Dito, mabato. Diyan. Pero dun banda, kung saan kami laging pumupwesto, wala na siya mga bato-bato. So, like right by the sand talaga siya. Let's see. Oh, I wonder where they are. Baka dun pa sa dulo. Ayaw nila siguro na may mga bato-bato. Oh, I think this is them. Yep, that's them right there. Ayun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, so. Ayun yung parking. And, ayun yung parking. Ayun na yung beach. Diba? Napakaganda. Oh, nako, nakaka-relax. Relax na naman ang tita nyo. Wala nang ginawa kundi mag-relax. Oh my God, Korean barbecue. With the view. Oh, saan ka pa? Saan ka pa? Sayang kumain na ako. Pero baka. Baka gutumin in 5 minutes.
Wala namang kanin.
Kunwari pa siya. Busog na daw. Look how pretty. Alam mo, hindi ko nadala yung mic ko. Sayang, sana gamitin ko dito para matest natin kung talagang gumagana siya. Kahit maingay yung beach. But anyway, ang ganda, no? Ganda, sarap. Na-relax ako. Tsaka napakain ako ng konti. Hindi ko talaga kayang tiisin yung Korean barbecue. Ayun lang. Enjoy. Round 2 ng Korean barbecue. Pogi ni Toto. How pretty.
Okay, let's go.
Ready? Okay. Come it up. Come it up. Ready? Come it up. Okay. Dahil dapat ko eh.
Yay!